Now guys, strategy 3 will be combining multiple APIs. So it's kind of similar to ethical arbitrage method. Okay, so you remember that we have a strategy 2, that is API arbitrage. So guys, it is very much similar to that, but here what happened is that we have some multiple different APIs, and using that APIs we create our own API, right? So this is what it is called as combining multiple APIs, right? For example, here we have one, let's say value serve, and here it's basically when you, let's say, search for SEO SNG agencies. Okay, let's say it simply means that you search on Google SEO agencies like this, and you get result 1 2 3 4 5 6 etc etc. So that is what this tool will going to say, like position 1, the position 1, that means the very first position website. So the title of that website is this, top SEO companies. So like that, okay, it will going to show you top 10 or first page results, right? So this is one API that will going to help you to fetch out the top websites whenever anyone will going to search for any keyword. Okay, so the top website, this API will going to display. So this is one API by value serve. Okay, similarly you can, let's say, go to, let's say, Rapid API. Okay, and here let's say we have searched for some SEO tool, and let's say we have this SEO keyword research tool. Okay, so let's say here there will be some kind of endpoints, okay, functionality for this particular API, right? So what we do is that we take different functionality. We will going to take functionality of value serve API. We will take the functionality of this SEO keyword research tool functionality, like keyword research API, and similarly we will going to take different APIs, and we will going to combine them or create a new API with them. Okay, so it's very powerful, and that is what this particular multiple API method is. Okay, so basically you're not copying 100% anyone, you are just taking some small parts of different APIs, okay, with their features. Like you will take API of this, okay, you will going to take the feature of this API, you will use on yours. Okay, and similarly you will take from multiple APIs their functionality, and you will going to combine them, and you will going to create your own API, right? So it's very powerful, and it's very simple and easy to work on, right? So that is what I mean to say, that is SEO keyword research, right? And similarly there are plenty of APIs, and this is what people are doing. They are just merging different single APIs into one, so that they can create a very powerful API, and they can sell it to the developers or programmers. So this is the method about this one, that is strategy 3, combining multiple APIs.